Episode 2, here we go. Today we're removing the cylinder. I still have the cam chain on this stainless steel wire. It's going to stay there because I really don't want to lose this thing inside the engine. So it's all loose from our last episode, so just go ahead and wiggle it back and forth. Now what you do not want to do is hit this with a hammer or pry on here with a screwdriver, because if you pry on this surface with a screwdriver, you'll be very, very lucky if a gasket will seal. So let's go ahead and I'm going to try and feed this cam chain down and out of the way. And I'll pull my wire out the bottom. And I can just hang that out. Go. You should probably try and catch the piston and the connecting rod so it doesn't bang like that. A little bit of coolant in there still. Basically every time I touch this bike, a little more coolant runs out on the floor. Alright, so there is our little bitty cylinder. 8mm again. So let's put it that way. There we go. Make sure we save that gasket. Oh, you know what? That's a gasket that I forgot to buy. Shoot! Okay, well, we'll have to just get another gasket coming. This one we can't reuse. Okay, here are the cylinders side by side, factory and the B&B, obviously. You can see there's a lot more wall thickness on that one than there is here. That's where you take the material out to make this a big bore kit. This is a factory Honda cylinder that B&B Cycle modified, and the other kit that I know is out there is the Takigawa kit. I'm probably murdering how you pronounce that, I don't care. The Takigawa kit is a custom cast piece, and it is not the same as the factory Honda part. I think it's a oil or a coolant passageway. It's a little bit different, but this is an actual Honda part. I would trust that over a custom casting, which is why I got this kit. You know, you can buy this kit. It's made in, well, modified in America, I should say, and I had to wait quite a while to get it, basically 6 weeks. But if you order a Takigawa kit from Japan, you're probably going to be waiting just as long on international shipping. But the only difference on the outside, right here, we've got the factory cylinder, and then it's ground off and didn't get the punches real straight, but that says 305 and this says number 130. I think that's, yeah, that's a 0. 130. I thought it might have been an 8. And then let's see here, just to show you it is. It's KYJ2. This is a KYJ1-1. I'm not sure why that's different. Possibly a different casting number, or it might be a CBR cylinder instead of a CRF cylinder. It's the same engine, and it's got B&B Cycle Restoration stamped into that side. Okay, so we need to take these dowels out and put them into here. I would suggest using a pair of pliers, probably with a piece of cloth or a shop rag wrapped around it. You just wiggle those back and forth and pop them out like I did in the previous video. So we need to transfer those over, and then we'll transfer over the cam chain tensioner once I get a new gasket for it.